Hey, good morning. Yo. What's up, everyone? Let's wait. Already 16. Okay, we can start. Welcome, everyone. As you know, I'm Ezekiel, and welcome to the stream. Today we're gonna discuss about Bitcoin price, and everything as usual. Solana is close to stop loss. Idemo. Okay, first stop loss probably hit. Okay, let's see what happened. So Bitcoin cannot have strength right now. That's issue. Except Ethereum doing pretty solid job. But what I'm intrigued is, okay, we take the highs here without volume right now. So my bullishness comes from NQ, but if NQ reject like this, then it's no reason that we are close to stop loss. And yes, this doesn't look good. So does it have chance to rebound? Yeah, sure. But as I said, it's scam week. We are stuck inside of this range. So we're gonna fight for this line. This is like monthly close, as I spoke yesterday. This is what we are fighting for. And yes, it's ugly range for sure. It's very ugly. Plus we have this week to be fulfilled, let's say swept, and we have lows down there to also be swept. So yes, we need cook. So that's why I took Solana along, because I expect cook from here. And yeah, I'm still holding, so let's see what's gonna happen anyway. But it looks ugly for sure. Anyway, welcome to the stream. Yeah, today let's make some money. Yeah, sure. Right now we are losing money. Anyway, so it's all about this, and this doesn't look the greatest right now. Let me see euro dollar. Okay, we didn't take the low. Look this shit. Look this shit. Geo take the lows. Good. So 2 days ago, I called the high of the week here, and you see beautiful expansion to downside on FX. And you see how Bitcoin and crypto actually stuck inside the range. Meantime, NQ is going up. So yes, very interesting. Gold is dumping, everything is dumping. That's not what it should be, you know. So gold has this level to be taken. We make price efficient. You see this level. So we are efficient right now, and yeah, we have a proven that price should go lower for another efficiency. And yeah, we can say this one, but sort of equal highs. Yeah, I remember when I took the long from there. Anyway, so yes, gold should go lower. Okay, that's sign that crypto should going higher. GU, euro, let me see dollar index. Okay, but we have SMTD here. That's not the best sign though. We have that divergence. Okay. And Solana doing stupidity. It is, yeah. Okay, guys. Apple from Solana. Apple. What a scam. Also, another scam. Apple. We had like changed the delivery with engulfing that pattern. It looked good. It showed some signs of order block reaction. We died like this. So what's happened with Bitcoin? Okay, Ethereum. It's as I said, it will be highly scam week. Unbelievable. And now it will rebound, of course. Anyway, no more trades. Fast stop loss. I have to admit this was fast one. This was fast stop loss. I have to write it. Okay. Fast delivery. Solo hit. Sadly. Yeah, we yesterday had that 3R on Ethereum, and yes, Ethereum died. Unbelievable. So yeah, I got stopped out. So let's move on. I will delete. Fuck it. So okay, Bitcoin gonna die here. Okay, we take this low. Okay, we take this low. We still inside of the range. We have this low to be kept. Okay, what's the Nasdaq? Nasdaq rejecting. Okay, is it here? Do we have samurai model here? So right now we have fast bleed, and now we should, most of times you will see fast retracements too. But if we are right, this is then high of the week on NQ. It's gonna be, doesn't look like high of the week, no. It doesn't look. It looks like a scam dump, to be fair. Okay, so if it's scam dump, where it should be retraced. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have OT here. We took the lows and we didn't still close, so potentially I think we should have something like this trade. Not proper stop loss though. Something like this. I don't have proper stop loss around this, so it will be like betting. I mean, proper stop loss will be here, but that doesn't have sense. So let's go for this fair value gap. Okay, let's see. But yes, the Solana made me dirty very fast, guys. Very fast, sadly. Anyway, Ethereum should still going higher. Okay, this doesn't look bad. Ethereum should still going higher from here. We just need floor. We need to take these highs again. We have to find floor. So wait, let's wait for the closes. As I said, yes, fast moves. Okay, so right now we're gonna fight important task. So this region is very sensitive region. If we reject from here and dump, then it's over, and Bitcoin will fall probably very low. But I still think we should go higher. If we confirm close and actually do this and this and then actually pump from here and invalidate this breaker, we are very good. But Solana, like, what the fuck? What's wrong with you, man? Look how shit it done. For no reason disrespected. For no reason. So pissed. And I was like, okay, Solana, yes, it has a chance. Anyway, let's wait for Ethereum. Maybe it won't disappoint us like every day. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin's cooking the range. You see how ugly it is, and I wouldn't be surprised if we reject like this. So it's all about NQ, guys. It's all about NQ. Euro is getting strength. Okay, now we've seen strength on euro dollar. Okay, that's the sign, of course. That's bad sign for. We're rejecting the highs on dollar index. Gold is rejecting lows. Yeah, it's cooking. It's respecting order blocks. We didn't break this low. So either we're gonna cook from gold getting higher again, like this, or we actually gonna. Yeah, it's cooked. Everything is cooked. Okay, it's 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Damn. Okay, let's see Nasdaq. Yes. Okay, pretty interesting right now. Okay, Ethereum should fly though. Actually, a level should be hit is 240. Damn. Still, that level. Damn. Anyway, let me see what you're saying, guys. Nice, congrats for shorts, beautiful shorts, lovely. You got stopped out, me also. I'm bullish today, that's why I got stopped out again. Um, Big positive balance, of course. I did not yet. Yeah, it should fly. I mean, technically, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because the reason it's all following Nasdaq. As you can see in Bitcoin dumping, so Nasdaq will actually respect this, let's say, breaker. Yes, so Bitcoin just we're playing it's scam range, guys. It's very scammy, literally scammy, and I really don't recommend to trade it anyway. And I was trying to trade fucking Solana anyway. Ethereum is being dirty also. Bitcoin on futures are on 109k. Meantime, we are on 108k. Impressive. So yes, we are inside this ugly range. We're gonna stuck inside of this probably for whole week. No expansions. Probably whole week. Plus tomorrow there are holidays. And yeah, it's scam. The point is Nasdaq took the high, and I wanted to see higher prices on NQ. I want to see strength. I think it's trap because it looks like trap. And why the top of structure will look like this? Like, no, it doesn't seem completely right to me. Maybe on lower time frame, yes. On higher time frame, it doesn't look like. Daily, you just tap in and that's it. I think we should have more strength. So yes, let's see. I'm not in any trade, just to let you know. Why? Because I got wrecked right now, very fast. Anyway, so basically, boring market, boring. I mean, it's not boring as it is ugly. There's no clean moves. There's no clean. Actually, it was today at 12:30. We got this nice dump, and now we should get some nice expansion. So launch entry should be here, something like this. But where TP should be? I don't think we're gonna take another high. I don't think so. So it will be like equilibrium of it, but I don't know. I don't know right now. It's so ugly. It can go consistently whole moves. Gold doesn't look the best too. Bitcoin dumped. Okay, finally something. Okay, we gonna cook the low. Okay, so basically Monday was right. Tuesday was pretty much right, let's assume, and today we stuck again where we've been on Monday. So the levels this low, then we have to disrespect this low to going lower on 104k. By the way, yesterday Ethereum actually respected. We get expansion higher and then we dumped because of that weakness. But yes, as I said, glad I didn't enter this trade. I'm glad, Boro. It's so ugly. It will be unbelievable that we actually reject again. Like, what's wrong with this shitcoin, bro? Like, so many. Yeah. Okay, let's break it. Come on. Break this low. Solana also low. Break it. I mean, I wouldn't surprise if you just stuck here inside of this range. But it looks like 3 drive, so yeah, should be lower prices. Let me see Nasdaq, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, you see how dirty it is, huh? Yeah. So we touched this OT, so we're gonna hunt. We actually respected. We respected breaker. That's insane. Okay. That's showing some sort of signs that we are respecting this breaker. which means that we are anticipating high. So basically this is what I'm talking about. We're respecting this, which is sad, but it is. Even it looks like scam still. So let's see. If we respect again, we have to take this high again. High this, and we make this. Then we're gonna have high of the week in, and we're gonna dump a lot. So first target will be 21,000, this fair value gap. Then we go for this week, but still, you know guys, however, I think it's still scam. I think it's still scam. Even it looks too good for bears. It doesn't smell, how to say, from experience it's scammy. Yeah, it can dump, yes, cool, but nah. I think we should actually go higher, but because of the week how structure is built, it's not normal build, you know. It's very ugly build, but everything is possible in this market, so let's not play against it. Okay. Did use the dominance. Okay, we take the low. Okay, cool. Nothing burger, guys. Nothing burger. This looks very ugly again. This week's looks so fucking ugly again. I will not be surprised if we dump right now. From here again, last exit liquidity and dump. Okay, no, it's probably over. This, and we come here or even lower. But it's very ugly trade, so if we have to refine it because of scam pump, let's say this, and let's go for OT. That will be trade, but let's see. Probably we are late. You see how we disrespected? Damn, we are late. Yeah. Okay, probably I was so blind with this target, pretty much blind that yes. Okay. Let me see, chill guy. Can we? Chill guy. Chill guy. Okay. Turbo. I like shitcoins to trade. Okay, Bitcoin. Nothing burger. Nasdaq rejecting like this is. So gold should fly. Gold is rejecting. What? Come on, fly. Something. Okay, Geo finally doing something. Maneuvers. Euro doing good. Okay, so I mean, internal targets these highs right now. So yeah, we probably have bottom on FX. Maybe. I mean, we respected this order block, as you can see on weekly candle. Be respected. Daily. H4. But this loss looks so scammy on H1, guys. Look how scammy it is, but it's rejections. That's why I don't think we have like bottom and we should fly. I mean, it's possible, but I have bigger chance that we're gonna see lower prices here. Damn. Okay, Nasdaq getting some momentum. Okay, anyway, that's how I trade. Literally, I'm going through charts consistently, consistently checking what's happening, because everything's actually correlated, and that seems impressive. Use SMT divergence. Some it says that as entries and obvious take profit levels, and that's it. It's technically it's simple. I'll stop loss are normal parts of trading, and sometimes you will be earlier, you will be join later, but overall just make sure you take correct trade. Like trade that you can satisfy it, and that's it. I'm not in any trade after Solana, so just letting you know. Book Chapter challenge, crypto fund challenge. We're gonna take 200k. 200k. We're gonna take it in 2 weeks or 3, 2. Why? Because my probability of trading is low this week, and next week my probability is low. Why? It's simple. It's you use monthly candle, power of 3. Okay, power of 3. Simple as that. We have open, manipulation, distribution, and what I wanna trade with challenges and everything, with taking bigger risk, is this distribution. So that's like mid month. So 2 weeks of month you have to do job. Sometimes you will get expansion on beginning of the month, sometimes on the end of the month. It's okay, it's fine. But still, my highest probability that I will make money is in equilibrium. Okay, so right now it's all low probabilities, everything is low probability, and we are stuck inside of the range. Yeah, and when you play the ranges, you are betting, like as my friend said, Book of Ra. Literally. So yes, and Solana, fucking bitch. It is what it is, guys. So okay, I think Ethereum, it's done. No more chance. This exits came from yesterday, and there's no chance that we're gonna make higher prices. So potentially I would look for maybe shorts. I'll wait, especially if we close like this. It's like literally over. We're gonna just dump because we get absorbed. I can actually even check it out. Let's see. Are we absorbed? I'm not signed up. Okay. Futures are heavily selling. CVD is fine, following price, but there is no proper divergence. We have huge open interest delta, as you can see. There is bullish momentum in Ethereum, so we are literally getting absorbed right now. That's sad. And funding rate, yes, funding rate also negative because of futures. But actually positive, nice. Yeah, we are getting scammed here. Very scammed. Fui. Fucking fui. Okay. Nothing burger right now. No low. Okay. I still think we should go higher. I still think you should go higher on Nasdaq. That's what. This page. Okay, we will not look this. Okay, let's go. So yes, there is no strength right now. Yes, of course. Man, of course. No momentum. Yeah, now dump it where you belong. too. Anyway, no trades, guys. It's, yeah, I agree with you. So ugly. So ugly, guys. I even disappointed. Like this. Oh, fine. Solana, what disappointment, guys. Like, this is when you get disrespected properly. But it doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. Maybe I'm wrong, but something doesn't sum up. Euro took, okay, equilibrium. Geo, okay. Gold even doesn't even move. Damn. Maybe we can find some shitcoins. Let's go for H4. Bro, I wanted to long Grok and Grok died from here. Same like Solana, same shit. Rex still cooking. Good. Kaito. Okay, we have proper level here and we didn't. Okay. To be fair, everything looks so ugly that... Opala, what's this? Okay, we didn't take this high, nothing. Turbo, can we short it, bro? Can we short? I think we can. I think we can finally dump it, I guess. It's holding good, not gonna lie, after all. It's holding good. Nothing. Everything looks bad. Everything really looks bad. No, I'm not gonna lie. Not proper. Nil. Okay. Okay, seems interesting. We take the high internal. We have some strength. Can we short it? Can we short the nil? It will be like this. Can we short it? Oof. That will be a lovely trade, guys. Okay, doesn't look the worst. Okay, nil. Let's see what nil can provide us. Cookie, look at the cookie, man. Bro, I didn't check it out. Damn, what a bitch. Ah. Nice, that's nice. Okay, nothing burger. Cyber. Okay, this seems. Okay, back to the ranges, maybe lower. That will be even. Okay. Maybe we have potential short drive. Yeah. Oof. We are late probably. So we need some sort of rejection like this, and then we have to reject the high, and you have like entry here, and you short this. Okay. Banana. You see some coins actually expand the high. That's lovely to see. But everything else is bad. Safe took the high. Yow, why I didn't have alarm? Nice. Okay, this everything is dead. Yeah, that's it. Chill guy took the low. Damn, I wanted to short. It disrespected me like Solana. I see a pattern of disrespecting right now. Okay, it bumped. Nice. Mask. Okay. Mask. What do we have here? So we should going with this trend. We should going higher. but it doesn't seem bad at all. Maybe go short. Maybe interesting. This is interesting. But still, why it would literally dump it like this and expand it so much higher just to take the high and then dump again? That's the question. But sometimes it works out, so seems interesting. I'll look out. So what we said, mask, we have solid, we said cyber, we need retracement, and what, nil, we said nil, okay, nil, okay, cool. That's three trades that seems something that actually can deliver. Bitcoin falling down lower, Ethereum fall, oh my, yo, ho 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 ho. Solana died properly. At least it's less pain if it dies properly, and if you're, let's say, completely wrong, that's less pain. But Nasdaq still holding here. You see, it's still holding. Euro pump to, okay, it's gonna actually take the high. Damn. Okay. Bitcoin gold. What's wrong with you, man? Okay, cool. So we missed actual short. That's impressive. Nice. Okay. Nice. Not gonna lie. It pumped before New York equity open and then just dump. Okay, Nasdaq showing the dump, maybe signs. Okay. So I guess we have only three trades that will be actually satisfied. Mask. So mask should be short. And we have cyber, but we need a retracement, which probably maybe we will not get it, and nil. Okay, not bad. Sound's gone. Sorry, guys. Anyway, market is so bad. Market is so down bad. The best thing to do is go play games, go living life, go with your girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever. Enjoy life and just keep this week. That's the bad advice. But as we are gamblers, we have to check something and take at least one trade. And that's why I took mask short, because it sounds pretty promising. I didn't take the nil short. I just posted if someone wants. And that's it, guys. That's it. VRU in nil too. VRU. Oh damn, bro. Anyway, my biggest advice: keep it, and that's it. Enjoy your day. And I will close the stream because, to be fair, I don't know what to say anymore. What to explain. Maybe next time we can go through strategies and my understanding, so we can go through that, like edu stream, edu content. But this is better stay away. Better stay away. For discount, yeah, I have my own code, so it's Ezekiel. Why don't you do courses, man? The reason I don't do courses, oh my goodness, curse. Neil is rejecting. Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, something's happening. Neil is rejecting. What do you mean? Let me see. Okay. Let me see Mask then. Mask has bigger probability. Okay, Mask. Neil, I didn't take the Neil. The reason is okay, I don't the reason is it just take this one, and potentially we can go higher if we get strength. That's why I rather take Mask. But okay, patience. I would say patience. I mean, if Bitcoin find the floor, it's yeah, no, we have to go in higher, lower. Ethereum from here, man. Nah. Nasdaq. It even died again. Look this. Nothing burger. Let me see euro. Okay, some rejections because of equilibrium goals. Nothing burger, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna close the stream. Yeah, we can do next time's edu content or whatever. Why I don't have courses? I have some sort of courses with PDFs and everything, but it's for free, literally for free. I don't wanna take money from you because I think knowledge is free, and if you put your effort, you can make it, as I did, for sure. With the power of God, yes, you can do it. And for me, knowledge must be free. The work should not be free though. So my trade signals, everything I do should not be free. And many scammers actually stealing my trades, but it is what it is. Yeah, that's me and my moral. Anyway, thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.